Hello. Get the zip file. In this case, I placed it in a AI folder in my C drive. You just have to unpack it. You can use the extract all from Windows. Would remove this name because there is a For the Humans folder inside and extract. To execute it, you will need to go to the command, go inside the For the Humans folder. You have to go inside the For the Humans main. To execute it, Python embedded and then the command. And I'm gonna put it to run now, and it should give an error. And here it is. It's complaining that you don't have this file inside this folder. Basic model, neutral, inside this folder. To get it, you have to go to the simplify page and you have to download. You need to register to be able to download the file. After logging, you go to the download and download this file. Unpack. After unpacking, you can go to the code and models and get this file, the For the Humans folder, and place it inside the .cache folder. Place it here. After placing it, you can run again. And now you had another problem. It was trying to download this file from this path and trying to save on this path. So what you can do is you can click here. So it's going to control click and it's going to download the file. You can open, you can copy this file and see where it should be. And you see here it was in C, users. In my case it's this, and cache, torch, hub, checkpoints, and place the file there and run again. It couldn't download that file, but some other files it's able to download automatically. In any case, if it doesn't work on your machine, you can do the same thing. The script finished downloading the files, the models that it needed, and now it's starting to process the video. Now you can see the result, and let me see, in the output folder, you can go inside the For the Humans main, output, results, and you're going to have this PKL file. To see it, the easiest way is to install an add-on called For the Humans, where you can find it here on releases, and here you can download the file. Now to install it on Blender, and you can drag the file in here. Okay, to install. And you can open the N tab, pressing N, and select For the Humans and choose import results and choose the file. And now you can choose the import raw, and you're gonna have the animation here. In this case, this example, you have, let me show the video. This is a processed video, and you see that there's a lot of characters in here. And using the add-on, you can select which do you want. It shows the amount of characters that there is in the export or the processed file, but you can choose other one and import. You can select one more and import. And hope you enjoy. Have fun.